Yo, AutoAce fam! If you're a beginner planning to buy your very first motorcycle in 2025, you'll want something easy to ride, fuel efficient, and beginner friendly. Today, I'll share the top 5 best motorcycles for new riders here in the Philippines this year. Let's go! Small, light, and very affordable. 110cc fuel-injected engine, super fuel efficient at around 60 kilometers per liter. Low seat height, easy handling, and cheap maintenance. Perfect starter scooter for students and commuters. Another beginner-friendly scooter. 125cc Blue Core engine, reliable and responsive, lightweight and nimble in traffic. Stylish design and widely available spare parts. A mini maxi scooter with a 124cc fuel-injected engine. Wide seat and relaxed ergonomics. Super comfy for daily rides. Has stop-start system, USB charging, and 21-liter under-seat storage. Ideal for beginners who value comfort and practicality. One of the most popular scooters in the Philippines. 125cc PGM-FI engine, 50 kilometers per liter fuel economy. LED lights, digital dash, and 18-liter storage. Balance in style, performance, and beginner-friendly usability. For beginners who prefer manual motorcycles, 150cc air-cooled engine, simple and durable. Can be used for daily commute, delivery, or even tricycle business. Easy to maintain and widely trusted in the Philippines. Best beginner picks in 2025. Honda Beat 110. Affordable, tipid sa gas. Yamaha Mio i125. Nimble and reliable. Suzuki Burgman Street 125EX. Comfort and features. Honda Click 125i. Stylish all-rounder. Honda TMX Supremo 150, manual classic for utility. If you're a new rider, scooters like the Beat, Mio, Burgman, and Click are the easiest to start with. But if you want to learn manual riding right away, the TMX Supremo 150 is the best training ground. So, AutoAce fam, which of these would you pick as your first motorcycle? Drop your answer in the comments. If this list helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more beginner-friendly motorcycle guides. Ride safe, ride smart. Thanks for watching.